Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, Okechukwu. The son of Ozonkwo Onwudinjo. A good man. You're welcome. Please be seated.
Thank you, princess. Honestly, I cannot remember the last time anyone, addressed me. like that. How come you know so much about me?
As the princess of Amanato, am I not expected to know so many, if not everyone?
In Amanato? Princess, if you can prove to me that you know everyone in Amanato, then I will admit that indeed you are great.
Anyway, let's forget about that. Now that you're here, we need to talk. Do you have a reason for ignoring my invitations so many times?
My princess, I'm sorry. Very sorry.
Any excuse?
I do not have an excuse as to why I did not respond to your invitations, but I am here, apologizing, hoping that my apologies will be accepted. Please, princess.
Of course, you're forgiven. You are.
Thank you.
Once again, I welcome you to the palace of the king.
It's a beautiful place.
Thank you. And I really want us to talk. I want us to get to know each other better,
It would be my absolute pleasure to make your acquaintance, my princess. For indeed, you're a paragon of beauty, a gorgeous, gorgeous woman.
Thank you. You sure have your way with words.
Well, if you say so. I do know, though, that I like to speak my truth at all times. So if you tell me that you like the way that I talk, then I'll tell you that I am glad.
Goodness. I like you so much. Well, okay, that's fine. Can we at least take a walk?
Sure. It's been my pleasure.
Your drink?
I'm fine for now.
All right.
After you, please.
Okay. So,
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.